welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you're happy doing right now when you're watching this. Hope you're doing fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight, I am doing my third Hempcrate unboxing. Yay! I got the basic box, so I'm gonna get right into this and make this a really quick video, but I will leave the box I order that I'm subscribed to down here, and then as I go through the pieces I will let you know the actual retail price somewhere in this window box thing. So this is the November box. Yes, I am a little bit late. This might be uploaded on December 1st, and then before you know it I'll have my December box, but we'll just get right into it. If you haven't watched my previous videos, there's jokes on the back. They're the same, and yeah, it's just, I think this is the wellness box. I do want to say, so I don't get any extras, there are different tiers of this box. So it'll look like this when you open it. There's always little flyers and coupons on the top. This one is use code Hempcrate with an 8, Spirit of the Herbs, for 20% off of your purchase of 25 or more, and then it tells you about the company on the back. So I like these boxes because I love CBD oil and I just love the way it makes me feel. It helps with my anxiety and stuff. I am by no means sponsored, nor am I a doctor of any kind, but it works for me. And the sleepy time CBDs, like with the melatonin, do help me sleep, so I appreciate that. The second little flyer is Applied Botanics, and it just has that on the front, and then it says premium, consistent, and affordable CBD products, more for less, farm to doorstep 5 formulas. So you'll have to bear with me, I'm so tired. I am super tired. And so those are the little flyer things on the top, and then you get tissue paper. And oh, look at that, all the fun goodies. So it already smells so good. The first thing I'm pulling out, is actually the tincture. And speaking of nighttime CBD, this is by the flyer I just mentioned, Applied Botanics, called Tranquility, and it is a nighttime CBD 1500 milligrams. So usually the tincture pays for the box itself. I started getting these boxes because of Delia LaFay. Go check her out if you're not subscribed to her. She's awesome. She does a lot of hauls. She does gothic on a budget, and she does a lot of CBD stuff and crafts. So I'll leave all of her stuff down below, and she has a coupon for your first box off Hempcrate. And the second thing I see, well, two things I see, is the Spirit of the Herbs. This is full spectrum CBD calming bath dust called Hope in 25 milligrams. So I liked the bath bomb I got in my first box, so I'm super excited to try this. And it just says, sprinkle this pouch of dust into your bath and relax. I can't smell it, but I'll do a review at some point. I always say I'm going to do a review and then I don't. And then the second thing from Spirit of the Herbs is the Nourishing Seaweed Tea. And this looks like it's loose leaf, but I don't have a diffuser, so I'll have to order one, because I do like me some tea. And this flavor is, it just says Immune Defense Tea. Nourishing CBD Tea, full spectrum, 8.5 milligrams, so looking forward to that. And then gluten-free Pachamama Sleep Well Gummies. There are 5 in this, and 20 milligrams CBD. Is it per gummy? Take 1 gummy before sleep, do not exceed 2 per night. So I might try these tonight. Yay. Anything that helps me sleep, I am totally down for. And then we have golf gummies, feel better, play better. It's just a little sample. 10 milligrams CBD per gummy. I almost said dummy. Okay, I need sleep. Designed for golfers by golfers, golf gummies are infused with full spectrum CBD so you can enjoy the most natural version of CBD. Bursting with delicious lemon lime flavor, golf gummies release targeted amounts of CBD supported by green tea and B12. So do not take these at night. I may try one of these tomorrow. I want to go thrifting and I have to go see my mom. So yes, sample pack, not for individual sales, so I will see what the price is that these go for in like a full pack since this is a sample. And then we have again, words, I'm so tired. Nature clinically blended Canalogica hydration, facial hydration oil, full spectrum hemp extract containing naturally occurring CBD with green oregano oil. So I'm always down for a good facial oil. Right now I'm using tea tree for swelling, like when I do my eyebrows, and then daily, like nightly, I put sunflower oil on my face, which is very beneficial and obviously all natural. So I'm very interested in this. Hemp seed oil, sunflower seed oil, so I'm already gonna love it. Cannabis sativa, leaf extract, leaf oil, things I can't pronounce, but all natural. So I'm actually like really curious about this one, and I'll see how much this costs individually. And the last thing in this box is the CBD Taffy gift pack. It's 35 milligrams per Taffy. I'm actually nervous about Taffy because I have crowns, so anything super chewy. Like for some reason gummies are okay, but this, I will try one and then probably give the others away. Yeah, it's just so sticky. I'm always afraid of like pulling my bridge out or something, but okay. I like that box. We shall see. I'm gonna put these on my desk so I remember to take one tomorrow when I go thrifting, and I'm gonna take one of these and maybe we'll revisit this in my weekly vlog that I'm working on to see how these help me sleep. It also says immune defense, which is great because I just got over a kidney infection. So I'm really curious about these. And of course, it says, tear here to go night-night, but it says gluten-free. Most CBD products, if not all of them, I think are gluten-free. And may cause drowsiness, but it's literally a sleep well. But I guess I have to put that on the label. But yeah, we shall try this and this. I'm looking forward to these two. And of course I love me some bubble bath, so I'm definitely gonna try this. And I'll have to get an actual like tea thing because I'm used to tea bags, so definitely want to try that though. But as always, the box probably ended up paying for itself in the, I'm gonna guess these two alone were more than the box. I think I pay $49.99 a month, except my first box using Rachel's code was like 10% off, I believe, or 20% off. But I feel like these two are the whole box, if not more. So again, I will leave the prices as I went through them, and I hope you're having a wonderful night, morning, day, whatever you happen to be doing, and I will talk to you very, very soon. That was a really quick one, but I will see you super soon. Love you so much. Bye. Love you so much. Pixi. I love you. Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye.